So we saved ourselves an incredible amount of money this week. And I'm really happy. You've got no idea. Good morning, everyone. This is Melissa here for Stonehouse Homestead, where we're taking small steps towards self-sufficiency using what we have to do what we can right here where we are. And today is Money Counts Monday, and we're going to share with you a way that we saved a significant amount of money this week. So our headlights on our car have decided that instead of being headlights, they want to be disco lights. And they started flashing on and off whenever they felt like it. And they would flash off and stay off, and we'd have to turn the controller off and turn it back on. Needless to say, that's not safe. It's not good. So we knew that we had to do something about this, but I also knew that it would mean significant money. So I took it upon myself to go online and look up on the internet this situation for our particular make and model, and found that it's actually a pretty common situation in this car. And read about what other people did. They basically just replaced their light switch controller, and it's really an easy fix. And we were able to go online, find the part for about $70. And so now I'm going to put in the new controller. I'm going to take you with me so that you can see what we did to save money on our own car repairs. Let's go. So this is a 2005 Chrysler 300, and this is the light switch, the headlight switch that we're referring to. And I wish we had some evening video to show you the extent of the issue, but I mean, literally, we would turn the lights on and they would come on for a few minutes, or not a few minutes, for a few seconds, and then just turn off. And then they'd flash on and off a couple times and then turn off. Eventually it would work itself out, but we didn't, couldn't guess when. So it's not safe. So this is the part that we ordered. This is the replacement module for this. We got it at our local auto supply store. And it's not, this isn't an official Chrysler part, right? This is a substitute part, but it works. Everybody online was using this part. So basically you're gonna need a flat tip screwdriver, and you're gonna stick this right here, if I remember correctly, correct?
Yep.
And
then just pry
it open. Oh, easy. All right, take it out. And you're gonna press this.
Yep.
And take this assembly off.
Mm-hmm.
Put that aside. Put this assembly on.
Mm-hmm.
And then just snap it back in.
Yep, but do the top first.
Okay. Do the top first.
Yep.
And then snap.
Yep.
Maybe.
There we
Oh,
go.
needed a man's power.
Uh-huh.
All right, so hopefully this will fix it.
So turn the lights on. No disco. No disco. Yep. Yep. All right. We're good.
All right, so hopefully this fixed the problem and saved us, I don't even know how much money. All I know
at least
is
$500.
that, yeah, some of the guys online were saying that they took it to the dealership to have it looked at, and that they were going to be charged $250 just to diagnose it. That's not for the replacement part and then replacing it, and you see how easy it was. So we saved ourselves an incredible amount of money this week. And I'm really happy. You've got no idea.
I would have said buttload of money, but
okay, we saved ourselves a buttload of money this week. So anyway, we encourage you to try to do some more things for yourself too. And honestly, for whatever's going on with YouTube right now, they are still a wealth of information and a great resource to go to for just about anything that you need to fix. So we encourage you to look on YouTube for different ways to fix things, and also just do searches. You'll find groups of people that I guarantee have had the same problem as you have had. and they can show you how to fix just about anything. Of course, some things you need to take to the experts, but if you can do it yourself, do it yourself. Good morning, ducks. All
Everybody's a critic.
So for Stonehouse Homestead, this is Melissa, and you guys have a great day. I am one happy girl.
What's wrong, girls?